guys, welcome back to another video, and today guys we're at the beautiful river. We're gonna go take a nice swim. Come on, we go too far. May I put some soap in my ear? Like the last time. Guys, get my ear clean. I think he did dirty more. Sorry. 2 weeks now, I know it's huh? So I think it's that dirty more. I know it is already. A little time. So I'm here washing my ear, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit those post notification bell, guys, so that as I post a video you get notified. So I'm going in the water, go rinse out my ear and then put some conditioner in it, so stay tuned for that. I'm in my pool, guys. Let's see how my pool pretty. Our man then do work and tired.
How are you doing? You know where the man them got it?
No.
That's what you say that?
Yeah.
You don't know where they got it.
We are float, guys. We're floating. Yeah, swim with one. Ah. I'm sick. My skin tightening. Put condition in my ear. Yeah, cool out here. That is it. They come out my ear, guys. You know, baby, you know. Insert my ear. Insert the condition. I'll go then and say condition for see a couple minutes. Here you go. That's not my thing right now. I'm gonna put this down. Can make just relax and take the beat. It's a beautiful defeat. Ah! Come on. Mommy, come on.
are so peaceful when you are floating in the water.
That's what. It's very rejuvenating.
That's it, yeah. After you shampoo, I have to come out. Where the bucket? Where's the bucket? Cat? Me, I went up me here, no come out. Still in there. Let me show some. I want to put in it here. There's like things on there. And so when you got here, just go wash your ear. There's up there now. And throw water in your face.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna take a shower now. And y'all gonna see me when I wash up, guys. So stay tuned. Remember, guys, to subscribe to the channel so that you get and press that post notification bell so that as I post a video, you are the first to see it. And also to comment, guys. Woo!
So,
I'm soaping up, guys. Ready, set, go! I will take that, man. I will take jump on a stone and guys can slide.
I tell you, Drake wants to crocodile in the water, you Drake cannot. Now go back in there. Now. So you say when he stop free like water now, so you go frighten him with it. I remember saying you never want to go in there.
Water in me. This is the end of another video, guys. Thank you for tuning in today. See you guys tomorrow in another video. So say bye-bye to the river. Bye, river. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.